BigQuery is a powerful, fully managed serverless data warehouse provided by Google Cloud that allows you to query massive datasets quickly using SQL. Here's how to use BigQuery. Access BigQuery. Log into the Google Cloud Console and navigate to BigQuery under the Big Data section. You can also directly access BigQuery via the BigQuery console. Create a project. In the BigQuery interface, select the Google Cloud project or create a new one. You will need to create a dataset to store your tables. A dataset is a container that holds your tables in BigQuery. Import data. You can load data from various sources like Google Cloud Storage, Google Drive, or even CSV or JSON files. Use the Create Table button. Specify the data source, format, and schema. Write SQL queries. Use SQL queries to analyze your data. Click on Compose New Query and write an SQL query in the query editor. For example, the following will return 100 rows from your table. Run queries and view results. Run your query by clicking Run and view the results below. You can export the results or visualize them in tools like Data Studio.